Museum in Salem. It's gonna be fantastic and I just wanna be at that show. And not because you have any idea about what Salem Main Street does, so I'm gonna tell you. All the work that we do in downtown Salem, which includes free promotion and support of literally hundreds of downtown businesses that you all love. Resident pride initiatives like our impactful October information booth, our canine ambassadors in the Salem Pup Squad, and of course our inaugural dog mayor. I'm sure some of you saw Deputy Dog Mayor Bruce out there on the way in. As well as our very important community events like the Salem Farmers Market, the Salem Arts Festival, Salem So Sweet, the Ice Cream Bowl, and much, much more. You will notice hints of our year-round programs throughout the evening, such as the red velvet sashes our volunteers are wearing, which look very similar to the ribbons we wrap around the poles every holiday season. The ice cream on your golden buttons for the ice cream bowl. The dog with the top hat, is he dog mayor? Is it the pet parade? Who knows? He's charming. And obviously the artist palette for the Salem Arts Festival, which is near and dear to our heart, and a big reason why we're so grateful to partner with Peabody Essex Museum this evening. We do work closely with a number of partners in Salem, especially Destination Salem, and the Salem Chamber of Commerce, the Salem Partnership, and of course the City of Salem, which you will see quite a few City of Salem members here. They are also, I believe, featuring some wares from modern Millie, but also you can see, like just look how sparkly it is right now. So we have Jenni, Stuart, Fine Jewelry. Next we have Mickey, the amazing Mickey Wilson, featuring Salem Style. Jewels from Salem Style is a much beloved local maker that you can find at a lot of the different markets in town. I believe at some of the stores like Salem Bespoke, and Mickey, fabulous dot connector Mickey, is here as a model. Next we have Hive Forge, we have Ali Del Franco. If you don't know Ali, I don't think you've been looking closely enough. Ali is the hardest working woman in Salem, person in Salem, and is an amazing comedian, walking tour guide, all kinds of things. So Ali is wearing Hive Forge's tremendous wares here. And last but not least, Sophia is a student at New Liberty Innovation School and is also an intern with Nina Soto Realty, one of our sponsors tonight. Nina is featuring Emporium 32, you can stop right with me. This new Salem tartan from Emporium 32 is an actual certified tartan, which takes a lot of work to get, there's a whole Scottish process, it's very Scottish. But they have this Salem tartan now that represents much of the history of Salem, and this hat is another custom line of theirs. So thank you very much to all the jewelry and makers who have been with us.